Hey folks, isn't that neat? Come out to let the chickens out and give them fresh water, and look what I find. Real pretty cardinal. And yesterday I seen chickadees just trying to feed up, and that's where I put our scraps for the garden. I'm just trying to find some stuff to eat. And it flew away. But isn't that neat? Even the birds try to find some food and stuff. Yeah, it's way over there on the old strawberry raised bed. See it over there? Pretty neat, isn't it? Hey folks, there you got a good close-up of the chickadee, and I think the brown one is a gin coat. Two chickadees. They're feeding up this 4-degree cool morning here in south central Pennsylvania on the last Friday of the month. We throw our scraps out in the garden instead of the compost pile, and then we'll rototill them all off, but they're finding something there good to eat. Or when our birds are hungry here. How about where you're at? You have some winter birds that feed up? Leave a comment down below. Good day, folks.